Hi, what's up, everyone? In this video, we will talk about the top best drones for night flying you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon. Drones have grown in popularity as a tool for aerial photography, filmmaking, and surveying. Flying a drone at night, on the other hand, is a totally other experience that necessitates careful evaluation of the drone's characteristics and capabilities. As drone technology advances, many manufacturers are now developing drones that are specifically built for night flying. In this video, we'll look at the best drones for night flying, investigating their distinctive features, flight capabilities, and camera systems. Understanding the finest drones for night flying will help you capture spectacular aerial footage in low-light circumstances, whether you are a professional photographer or a hobbyist drone pilot. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5. Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro V2. The Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro drone is a high-performance aerial camera drone that provides photographers with remarkable precision and sharpness. The New York 1-inch CMOS super-sensitive sensor and f/2.8 f/11 adjustable aperture camera on the drone can shoot images with a resolution of up to 8000 by 6000 and record films at 6K/30 fps, 4K/60 fps HDR, or 2.7K/120 fps. The advanced camera settings on the drone, which include an adjustable aperture range of f2.8 to f11 and a maximum ISO of 12,800, allow photographers to capture high-quality photographs. The Autel EVO 2 Pro additionally includes 19 sets of mini-directional binocular sensors that aid in the creation of a three-dimensional map and create real-time path planning to avoid obstacles from all directions. The drone also offers a number of photography modes and smart flight modes, such as dynamic track, parallel track, tripod track, viewpoint, orbit, gesture control, VR flight, waypoint, and more. Autel EVO 2 Pro V2 aircraft, EVO battery, low noise propellers, ND filters, gimbal cover, remote controller, landing pad, power cable, charger, micro USB cable, USB-C cable, and a 32 GB micro SD card are included in the Autel EVO 2 Pro drone bundle. On number 4. DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More. The DJI Mavic Air 2 camera drone is a powerful, portable gadget with intelligent shooting modes that produces beautiful aerial photography results. It has a 48MP camera with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor and a 3-axis gimbal for 4K/60 fps video capture. The device detects obstacles in 3 directions, increasing safety for beginners. Spotlight 2.0, ActiveTrack 3.0, and POI 3.0 are sophisticated tracking technologies on the drone that make aerial photography easier. The DJI Fly app requires iOS 10.0 or higher, Android 6.0 or higher, and is compatible with a wide range of devices. Buyers receive the Mavic Air 2 aircraft, remote controller, 3 clever flying batteries, 6 low-noise propellers, and a selection of other accessories. The drone can record footage in 4K HD resolution and has a flying time of up to 34 minutes. On number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. DJI's Mavic 3 Classic is a more affordable version of the original Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Cine. The regular controller kit costs $1,599/£1,399 Australian dollars and includes the same 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad 20MP camera as the original model but without the telephoto camera. The drone has a flight time of 46 minutes and is equipped with the same APAS 5.0 collision avoidance, ActiveTrack 5.0 for subject tracking, GEO 2.0 geofencing, advanced return to home, and quick shots automatic flight patterns as the previous model. However, it lacks Apple ProRes recording and has a lesser battery life than stated. Despite these flaws, the Mavic 3 Classic is a superb drone that is suitable for both novice and professional pilots. Pros of DJI Mavic 3 Classic: less expensive than other Mavic 3 models, plus excellent image quality, plus impressive safety features. Cons of DJI Mavic 3 Classic: remains expensive despite lower cost. Battery life shorter than claimed. No Apple ProRes video capture. On number 2. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. When folded, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro measures 3.3 by 3.6 by 8.4 inches and 3.3 by 9.5 by 12.7 inches when the arms are extended. It weighs around 2 pounds and requires FAA registration when flown recreationally in the United States. The drone has 4 rotors and an obstacle recognition system, as well as an integrated 20MP camera with a gimbal and a 4K video resolution. The dedicated remote is coupled with an app, and the drone provides a 1080p live video stream. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro sports the biggest picture sensor of any drone of its size, making it the best drone for enthusiast pilots and the editor's choice for 2019. The drone is somewhat more expensive than the Mavic 2 Zoom, but it is well worth the extra expense for its outstanding image and video quality. Pros of DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Superlative 4K video. 20MP RAW and JPG still imaging. Great battery life. Cons of DJI Mavic 2 Pro. 8GB internal memory isn't much. No DCI format support. Expensive. On number 1. DJI Phantom 4 Pro. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro is a drone intended specifically for drone photographers, featuring a number of pro characteristics that make it excellent for this purpose. The drone has solid controls, amazing automatic camera functions, and a top speed of 72 km per hour. Despite being more expensive than entry-level options, the drone's features make it a no-brainer for serious drone photographers. The Phantom 4 Pro also has front and back sensors for collision detection, infrared systems on both sides for increased spatial awareness, and a 300-meter return-to-home mode. The camera on the drone shoots 4K footage at 60 frames per second, has a maximum video bitrate of 100 megabits per second, and a 20-megapixel, 1-inch CMOS sensor. The automatic functions of the Phantom 4 Pro are especially amazing, with the active track mode capable of tracking a subject's profile by flying sideways or backward in spotlight mode. The drone is simple and enjoyable to control, with the novice mode that limits top speed and steering, but the training wheels can be removed for top speeds of 45 miles per hour. Pros of DJI Phantom 4 Pro. Camera features, easy-to-master flight controls and upgrades on the previous generation prove that DJI knows what it's doing. Cons of DJI Phantom 4 Pro. Sticker price and investing in additional batteries means the Phantom 4 Pro doesn't come cheap. So, guys, this was the video about the best drones for night flying. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.